This sounds like a strange question at first, but in science, even unusual ideas are worth testing if we use physics and engineering to examine them properly. According to Newton's laws, several forces act on a person wearing roller skates. Gravity pulls downward, the ground pushes upward, and friction allows motion along the surface, but none of these forces act upward to lift the skates off the ground. In physics, flight occurs when an upward force called lift exceeds a downward force of gravity. For an average human, that means producing enough lift to counter their weight at all times. Speed alone does not create lift. Lift happens when air is redirected downward by a specific shape, such as a wing. Roller skates may allow speed, but they lack any surface capable of shaping airflow to produce lift. A trained human can produce only a few hundred watts of power. Even human-powered aircraft require enormous wings and extreme efficiency. Roller skates rely entirely on human energy, which is far below what sustained flight requires. From an engineering perspective, flight requires four systems: lift surfaces, propulsion, control, and structural support. Roller skates provide none of these systems, making flight impossible without major redesign. Engineers could add wings, engines, and control systems. But once those are added, the roller skates no longer matter. You've built a flying machine, not enhanced footwear. Even if lift was somehow generated, the human body is not designed to carry flight loads through the ankles and legs. Without proper structural support, the forces involved would cause serious injury or failure. Engineers calculate lift using this equation. It shows that lift depends on air density, speed, surface area, and shape. Roller skates lack the surface area and aerodynamic shape required, so increasing speed alone cannot solve the problem. Questions like this help us understand the limits of physics and engineering. Science isn't about shutting ideas down. It's about discovering why some ideas can't work.